We are now here in Salisbury. You can see on that door behind me. Salisbury. Weird layout. So Salisbury, what could I say about Salisbury? We've got 6 platforms. We've got one which isn't used by passengers. We've got one for extra St David's. We've got one for London bound trains. We've got ones for Cardiff. We've got ones, they go pretty much all over. There's GWR trains go through here, SWR trains go through here, and they're mostly diesel. In fact, I'd have a guess that they're probably all diesel trains going through here. A really odd layout as well. We've got like platform 6 just behind me over there. Platform 4 I'm currently standing on. Platform 5, I think that's that one over there. We've got platform 3, platform 2 and platform 1 behind me, so a bit of an odd layout. Yeah, trying to get my head around it, but yeah, Salisbury, it's interesting. Nice ceiling. Right, so a bit more looking into it. The reason behind the odd layout we've got on platform 1 over here is disused. Nobody uses it anymore, which is great, fine. And beyond there, in that little gap behind me, is a train care depot, and down here is a old disused building and water tank. So there you go, that's the history behind that. So no platform 1, disused, gone, done.